the ground. Two monkeys climbing trees, swinging fast in the breeze. Ooh, ooh, ah. Jump and cheer, monkey dance, fun is here. Three elephants march in line, long trunks up, looking fine. Step left, step right, nice and slow. Elephant dance, go, go, go. Four bunnies hop and graze, wiggle noses, funny face, floppy ears, bounce up high. Bunny dance, touch the sky. Five birds soar and glide, flap your wings side to side. Tweet, tweet, tweet as you twirl around. Birdie dance off the ground. Six puppies wag their tails, spinning quick on puppy trails. Woof and round, run and race, puppy dance, happy pace. Seven cats stretch so sleek, tiptoe soft, hide and peek. Swishy tails, gentle prance, kitty cats love to dance. Eight turtles crawling slow, step by step, off we go. In your shell then pop back out, turtle dance, wiggle about. Nine frogs leap to the beat, jumping high on froggy feet. Ribbit fun from low to high, froggy dance, reach the sky. 10 giraffes standing tall, necks up high, don't let them fall. Sway and step, long strides wide, giraffe dance side to side.
Great job, kids! You learned all the numbers, 1 to 10, today. See you next time.